it's been a while, but I'm here and I have a new look for you, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Today's video was sponsored by Aligracehair Company on Aliexpress. I have 3 bundles here, 22, 24, and 26 inches, and I have a 20-inch frontal. Also, I thought it was really cute. They sent me a little makeup spongy. Here I am trying on my frontal just to see if I get the spacing right. And there's Brendan. Hi, get out of my video. Thanks. Alright, so I've gone through this before in previous videos, but I'll do it again. I am sewing down my frontal onto my lovely dome cap. Then I'm gonna start sewing my tracks on in a horseshoe shape the entire way up. Literally a horseshoe all the way up. It's the best way for me to get this wig to lay perfectly and meet with the frontal later on. All done with my 26-inch bundle, now I'm gonna do my 24 inches and then next I'll do my 22 inches. Just keep in mind, horseshoe, horseshoe, horseshoe. You're trying to keep it a nice crescent all the way up so that when you finally get to the frontal, you meet up with it perfectly. Then I cut off the last of the track, and this is what I'm left with, guys. And this is my finished wig. Yay! I'm so proud of myself. As you should be too, when you try it. Alright, now you're gonna peel it back and cut off the excess dome cap. You're gonna want to leave a tiny little bit over just to make sure your wig doesn't unravel later on. Now those roots look like roots, y'all. So my wig is finished. Took me forever to actually do it, but you know, whatever. She's looking lovely. So the frontal is a little too long on the sides for my head. If you see here, my ears, you can't see them at all because they're like hiding under here. So I'm gonna have to go in and actually cut around my ear here. Now all that's left to do is tweeze. Remember to be resourceful. If you don't have a spray bottle, just use a regular glass of water. The reason why I wet it is because it helps me to see what I'm tweezing a little better. And of course, I'm a fan of the rubber band method, so I put the rubber or elastic band, attach it right to the ear tabs on the wig, and then I slide the wig on my head. It's an effortless way to get your wig onto your head and out the door. And I'm pretty proud of this tweezing job I just did. It looks awesome. Holy crap. Okay, it looks like I'm trying to cut it off on my face. Even though, yeah, you knew that wasn't gonna work. If you don't have a wig head, I'll put a link below where I purchased mine from, because a wig head really will save a lot of time. And voila, I have finished. Look at that wig. But before we continue, let's camouflage our frontal with a little bit of makeup. If you don't like doing the makeup option, you can definitely tint your lace with some tea or maybe some semi-permanent hair dye. I don't have to put any makeup on the rest of the frontal just because my wig cap is helping me out in that regard. It looks pretty good by itself. I like the curl pattern the way it is right now, but I know after I wash it, it'll be a little bit straighter because this is the frontal and I had to wash it after I bleached the knot. And as you can kind of see, the frontal sort of straightened out a little bit, so it looks a little more straight than the curls in the back. So I know that whenever I style this hair, I most likely will have to curl it with my curling iron whenever I decide to go out. The parting space that I get with the frontal, it looks like scalp, okay? I would suggest bleaching your knots. You don't have to, but I suggest it because it really does help me to feel more comfortable with my frontals and wear a stocking cap that is like a brown cocoa sister kind of color if you're cocoa like me. Wear the color that matches your skin the most so that it looks, you know, a little bit more like scalp under there. It's incredibly silky, like my fingers. Yes. This is a style I'll say is good for winter because I can't imagine wearing this in the summer. I'd probably be like dying of heat stroke because it's so warm, you know, like right now I feel a little bit of heat on the back of my neck, alright? Like a little bit of heat right here. But I'm okay. Also, I expect this question to be asked. Is the hair heavy? Yeah, it kind of is. It has definitely a little weight to it. So swinging it around, I definitely feel that. So it is gonna feel a little bit heavy. It's definitely not gonna be like box braid heavy. But if you're a girl that likes thick hair, I mean, that's just a sacrifice you're gonna have to make. Nobody wants to see through the tracks, you know what I mean? Like, I can see your tracks. You don't want that. I don't want that. Nobody wants that. It's not fun. It's just not where it's at. It just isn't. I decided to curl it for you guys because it's so important that you see how beautiful these curls turned out. See what I'm saying? That's crazy. Crazy. See you next time. Thanks for watching.